Base Academy na. Yung abay na dito, 18-14. Alright.
Sa akin din naman
Aliak. From the 3-point area is a miss from Alvin Lam. 7 minutes, seconds remaining here in the first half. Wesley Yao, pinabayaan sa tres. Making them pay. This is now an 18-3 run by Base Academy. 7 minuto na lalabig sa ating first half.
Maganda siguro dun sa taas, no? Kitang-kita.
Rare miss from James Stan.
Meron doon. Ayaw, may camera.
Base Academy certainly getting the pace and they're getting the bounce as well from beyond the arc. Nakakago pa. 24-14. Offensive foul ulit. James Stan drawing the charge. Alvin Lam sa itaas. James Stan at the left elbow. Gusto pasa sa ilalim. Alvin Lam using his left. And he will get to the line to shoot two. Pwesta naman. Pintis. Wesley Lau, abahit ang tira. Wala pa din. Kasi everything. Ito, patibayan ng loob to. Mahaba itong game natin. Still have 15 minutes more after this half. Tres agad, pinawalan ni Wesley Lau. Dahil siya dito. Alvin Lam, the drop-off. Stand the upgrade. Fishing expedition. Nangyari doon. Draws a foul. So 2 free throws for James Stan. 27-17 ang ating talaan. Swap na swap. Una. Second free throw for James Stan. Mendes. Now, sa itaas. Tres na naman. At dating na ng timeout. Shots for Alvin Lam. Five minutes and 8 seconds left. Oops. Lane violation. So substitution free throw kay Sir Alvin Lam. Kahit pala sa 3 may lane violation. Alright, 30-19. Winter from Dennis Mendesan. Pinabayaan si James Stan sa labas. Cracks off the rim. Wesley Lau, Mendes. So bola na mapupunta sa panik ng Lambo Pipes. Nakabol sila dito down by 11 points. James Stan sa itaas. Big ball. Chatak natin ay 14 seconds. James Stan. Focus yan si Wesley Lau. Create space. Alvin Lam gets the offensive rebound. Pocket pass. James Stan scores for his 13th point. Susugod si Wesley Lau. Kaya naman James Stan. Pakakapaglang. Mahaba pa ito ha. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining here. In the first half, may foul, tinawag laban kay James Stan. Parang kupunan ay bawat foul ay free throws para sa kalaban. Wesley Lau at the leading scorer so far. Quick squad on the first free throw. Base Academy ha. Ganda ng pacing nila. Kanina nag-aapol sila ng 7 points. Sila ngayon, Abante, 11, 32-21. Quick pass, quick shot, doesn't work. Wesley Lau gets the rebound. Tennessee, 3! Now, malakas, James Stan. Hindi ko naman kasabihin. Household style, 2 points. Poste, Wesley Lau, Outer Steam, ang bola sa Rice Academy. Tennessee ulit, Mindes. Alvin Lau, may takang bola. Drives left. Takes the shot, right? Wesley Lau sa tres. Get short. Quick passing. Ganda naman connection. Alvin Lau. 35-25. One-hander by Tennessee is a thing of beauty. 2 more points. James Tan. Wala. Alvin Lam sa ilalim pa rin. James Tan. Absorbing contact. Basket and one. So yung free throw, James Tan ang nauungan para sa Blanco Pipes. Under 2 minutes remaining in the first half. May pagkakataon, bumabol ang Blanco Pipes dito. Alvin Lam kicks it out. Deep seal. Kapisado yung boarding sa ilalim. Tennessee nakawala. Humahabol na. Blanco Pipes is lead down to 7. And see. Oh my pass! 2 more points for Alvin Lam.
Sir, may shooting at saka mga maganda yung pinapakita ni Sir James. Sa'yo ba niyo yung natutunan o mas magaling ka? Mas magaling siya. Sir, ano masasabi mo sa lahat na nandito?
Hey!
Maraming salamat po, sir. Once again, Mr. Jimmy Tan and Dom Tan. Maraming salamat po. Sir, ano masasabi mo sa naging laro? Nakuha mo lalo yung shooting mo. Tsaka ba talaga yun, sir? 3 points, sir. Ano yan? Pinaktis mo ba talaga yan para dito sa liga na to?
Siguro, yes. Pinag-usapan na.
Sir, overall, anong masasabi mo na ginawa tong liga na to para sa inyo, para ma-enjoy nyo at the same time, para magamit nyo yung mga skills nyo sa basketball at mga showpiece?
Thank you sa teammates ko.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Tennessee with 41.6 rebounds at 8 3-point shots. Congratulations. Thank you.